doing out there in the world. We over here chilling at my Aunt Mandy's house for Thanksgiving. Enjoying family, friends, fun, watching some football. You know, just having a little bit of fun.
Yeah. Ooh, he made a stunning mac, a romi, crab, and shrimp salad.
Yes.
Oh my God.
It was really great. I had to do something new one time, bring something new to the table, which they also, you know, they made the turkey, the dressing, the greens.
Oh, it's going down.
Yes, it was really good.
It's going down.
So me and Unc right here, we watching football, you know, doing what we do on Thanksgiving. Every year, watch football and chill and relax and, you know, just enjoy each other.
Yeah, that's right. Being thankful. My oldest nephew. Yeah, I'm thankful. Lord, thank you. Thank you, Jesus.
Glory to God.
That's what's up.
But I'm about to go to the show.